What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're actually heading on over to Nissan, doing my normal oil change. Well, it's a little early for when I need to get it done, but the reason we're going early is because I do need to get my cruise control taken a look at, because that hasn't been working, as well as my emergency brake. The light is always on even when it's not engaged, so we're gonna have them take a look at that while I still have my warranty, which I think will be expiring here in a couple days. So good time to really go ahead and take a look at all of that right now. The car is currently aired up because I just ran upstairs really quick and I'm about to jump on the road, and I need to hurry up because my appointment is coming up pretty soon. So I'll turn the camera back on when we get to Nissan. Alright, so I am here. It is funny, I feel like every time I get a different service advisor, the newer ones, the little gatekeepers, somebody always says something like, oh well, your warranty is voided because you modified your car. I'm like, that's not how this works. Go through this every time there's a new person in the front, and I only have like 4 months left in my warranty anyway, so relax. But they say they might actually need some time to diagnose the electrical issues, especially since the cruise control is having issues as well as the parking brake being on. So I might have to take a look to see how I'm gonna get home for now, because I'd rather them have it for a few days than to try to come back another day or something like that. So yeah, I'll see what options I have. But while I'm here, I figured I would take a look at some of the cars that are out here. But look at these wheels. They caught my attention from a little ways away. They are clean. Midnight edition. That's pretty dope. I don't think I've actually seen any of these newer midnight editions in person. I saw that they were doing them online, and that was about it. But these wheels is definitely clean. I wonder if they're 19s or if they're 18s. I think they're 19s. Let's see. Yep. 19s. Big reason why I think they look better. I feel like the ones for my car should have been 19 as well, but this looks clean too. They don't really have that many cars out here. Usually they packed. So they've been selling, I guess. Not used to seeing this lot so empty. It's good they have some actual Pathfinders here. They have these here, or this one here, and then they got a couple over there. The last time I was here, it was all just call for information, and they didn't have any on the lot. But it was a lot bigger than I thought it was. First one I seen like this close, so 45 for it. Whatever, but yeah, 45 for the SL. Let me see which other trims they have. They usually have a Titan in that spot, so it's cool to see them changing it up. Somebody was saying I should get this emblem and put it on my car. Like, I like the white accent for it. I think that would be clean. Let's take a look at the road price too. And I think we got somebody coming to check on us. 30, not too bad, not too bad. Definitely like these.
Oh, that's your white one?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Is that a 240 over there?
Nah, that's internal.
Okay, I just see the headlights. I couldn't tell. That's dope.
What gas station what's the 156?
You got my ginger ale?
That's for me.
So y'all have your own squad out here?
Yeah, kind of. Not really.
Not really. I got you.
What?
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get your car too. I'll record something for that. Let's see what we got. It's pretty clean setup though.
Yeah, it's something for now.
Yeah. But yeah, definitely shout out to Angel. He's the one who kind of gave me a little tour and showed me those other cars that we took a look at. They have a nice little squad over there. He does have his car here. He showed me. It's a Sentra. He's on 22s. It's pretty clean too. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at that really quick. This is the one he showed us. He said we can get a video of it, so here we go. I was worried he would rub in the rear, but he said he's good because he got a little clearance there. So it's pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's clean. Oh, and forgot to mention, they did say that the cruise control probably is not an issue. They said whenever there is a brake fault or brake issue in any way, that will cause the cruise control to not work. So that's probably all that's wrong with that. Now this one is 38. This is the Pathfinder SV. They got the whole line of Pathfinders down this way. Definitely want to look at that green one. Let's see. We got an SV here. 40. Let's see, that's the SV. That's a platinum. I definitely want to see what the platinum is. This one is 40 as well. But the platinum, let's see, it's the first platinum. 49. Okay. And they got that nice peanut butter seat combo in there. One of the homies got one of those. Let's see. I don't know why I'm so fixated on these prices. $39 for this SV. And this has different wheels. It's SL. And 45. The last one, take a look at over here. And this is a S. Oh no, this is a platinum as well. 49. These are a lot bigger than I thought they would be. Alright, we got an interesting parking job here. But so they will need more time to work on it. So I decided I'm just gonna take the car because it's way too long. I think I'm going to come on, drop it off on Sunday, and then have it where they take a look at it then. That way, because I'll be off a few days afterwards and I won't have to really worry about it. But yeah, this is a quick little video, so I ain't gonna really hold or do too much more in the video. It was definitely dope seeing some of those cool cars while I was there. So, but yeah, yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna extend this one out too much longer. I'm not sure exactly when this video is going to come out. So this actually might come out after the meet that's coming up. So for the next meet, I'll make sure I post it on Instagram and on Facebook so we can get some people together. But yeah, before we end this one, I do want to say the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, we might be able to get you selected next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. As always, stay fit. Peace.